Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options available on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on System and Updates. Then select Language and Input, Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and Typing. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!